Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Care Academy. Now, taking care of your car doesn't need to be expensive. So I'm going to show you my top 10 tips on how to keep your car running nice and smoothly without breaking the bank. Even if you never worked on your car before, these tips are guaranteed to be simple enough to help you avoid a costly trip to the mechanic. Tip number 1, check and change your engine oil. The oil in your engine makes it run nice and smoothly. If it gets old or dirty, it could overheat your engine or make it wear out faster. Number 1, make sure to check your oil every 3 to 4 weeks. Number 2, make sure to change your oil every 5 to 7,500 miles, depending on your car. And number 3, make sure that you use the oil that's recommended by your car's manufacturer. Tip number 2, replace your air filters. Your car needs nice clean air to run properly. A dirty air filter reduces your fuel efficiency and hurts your car performance. Make sure you change your air filter every 12 to 15,000 miles or check it yearly. Point number 3, changing your windscreen wipers. Bad wipers mean bad visibility. So if your windscreen wipers are leaving streaks or marks, consider changing them. Point number 4, check and adjust your tire pressure. So have you checked your car tires recently? To find out your correct PSI and bar values, look in your owner's manual. You want your tires to be correctly filled. If not, it's going to kill your gas mileage and wear out your tires faster. When you're checking your tire pressure, make sure it matches to what's listed on your driver's door sticker. Point number 5, replace your brake pads. Brake pads wear out over time. So if they're making any squeaking or weird noises, I think it's time to replace them. Brake pads usually last about 30 to 70,000 miles, but make sure to check them on your yearly inspection. Point number 6, check and replace your spark plugs. Bad spark plugs cause rough idling, misfire, and poor gas mileage. So if your spark plugs look like this, it's time to replace them. If not in your yearly inspection, you can change your spark plugs every 30 to 60,000 miles, or if your engine isn't running as smoothly as it should be. Number 7, flush and refuel your coolant. Coolant keeps your engine from overheating, but over time, the coolant can get very dirty. So when it comes to changing your coolant, make sure you do it every 2 to 5 years, depending on your car. Point number 8, clean your battery terminals. If your car is struggling to start, check your battery for any corrosion. So if your battery terminal has any corrosions, you can clean it using a wire brush and some baking soda to prevent any problems. Point number 9, replace your cabin air filter. A clogged cabin air filter makes your AC work harder and blows dirty air into the car. So usually you can access your cabin air filter through your glove compartment. Point number 10, use an OBD-II scanner. Is your check engine light on? So are you consider going to the mechanics? You might want to use an OBD-II scanner first to see what's wrong with your car. This could save you hundreds of dollars. So I've just plugged in the OBD-II scanner in, and I'm going to check for codes. If your scanner does give up any P codes, make sure to Google them and you can get more of an understanding to see what's wrong with your vehicle. And that's 10 easy car maintenance tips that you could do yourself. This could save you a lot of money and your car. Let us know in the comments down below if you guys do this already or if you have any tips of your own. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to this channel for more tips and tricks.